Hi guys, my name is Pete and this is Trading Kitchen. It's Monday, so it's time for a weekly overview. Looking for some good opportunities to trade during this week on a long-term perspective. If you want to see my trading ideas on an intraday term or on a short term, you can easily join my Discord group. It's free, and you can join my community, and we can discuss all about all this trading ideas. So let's start with a weekly review, starting on S&P. So on a daily point of view, what we see, as I told you last week, this is a trend line, and we were bullish. Trend line is broken. Probably it will retest. Okay, but this is a very huge bearish momentum impulse. Okay, and you see there is no such an impulse like this, only this one, which is the February 2020, the global pandemic. Okay, so you know what's happened. But as you can see, we are on a bearish impulse. The momentum right by now is bearish, and there are a lot of structures that are already being broken, like this one. Okay, structure, and this as well. Okay, so this demand is probably the last one that we have. Okay, that price tried to break during last week. Okay, but it was not able to. Price refuses to go down. Okay, and push the price up, but as you can see, was price was topped here, which is this neckline. Okay, and now try to retest the same demand zone. Okay, so from a technical point of view, now we are on a bearish momentum and we are ranging here. Okay, but obviously when price will close below this demand zone, okay, on a daily perspective, we will definitely be bearish. Okay, so it's this demand zone. It's a very important level that we must monitor. Okay, let's go taking just a quick look on DAX. Well, as the indices will correlated more or less. Okay, but you see a very good correlation. Obviously, on DAX there is the same situation, but on a technical perspective, there is something that we can see so much clearer. And as you can see here, we have this liquidity zone in which price try always to grab the liquidity that they need to pump. Okay, so look how many times price retested this zone. Okay, and so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Okay, this, what does it mean? I mean, after 5 times, price will not able to go up, okay, will not able to pump, and try always to retest the zone. It means that probably here there are lots of sellers, okay, that don't want to the price to pump, okay. So what does it mean? That probably price will look for a more discount level, okay, to break the highs here, okay. So probably this week or for the next 2 3 weeks, I want to see the price here, okay. And as you can see, if we delete this box here, we have this demand zone, okay, this one, which is also an order block here, okay. You can call it as you want, but here there are a lot of volumes, okay, that must be mitigated yet, okay. So what does it mean? Price will go here where there are no, on a level that hasn't been tested yet, okay. And let's see, probably will pump, probably will reject, retest, broke, and retest the demand zone, which is a support zone that became a resistance zone, okay. So we are at a very, very crucial moment on a technical point of view. Gold, if you are in my Discord group, you see 2 stop losses this last week, but that's my fault, obviously, because the stop loss was too close to entry. Anyway, let's see what's happened. I want to be bearish, okay. Also after these 2 stop losses, but anyway, now we have to wait on the lower time frame to lows, okay, and then a retest on an order block area here on a premium zone, and go short, okay. I highlighted also this this inefficiency zone, okay, and this supply zone, that obviously it will be possible that price will test before going before dumping, okay. EURGBP, here we have a very, very clear setup, okay, and this is this one, okay. So what does it mean? We have 2 lows here, so this one and this one. It means that here there is liquidity, okay, that price grab to go up, breaking all these structures, okay. So this one, no, sorry, and this one as well, okay. Now retested here, and we are close to an entry. So in this case, sorry, if we go on a daily time frame, on a 4-hour time frame, it doesn't matter, but you see this range, okay, we are inside the 75, which is a very good discount area to go long, okay. So probably today, so this is very good for today. Just wait for a pattern to be created. Look how the momentum is very bullish, okay. So I just want to wait for a pattern to be created like this one, okay, and retest is the same pattern. So I just want, basically, I just want to see two higher highs and two higher lows, okay, and then waiting for a retest of the last range, looking for some good zones, volume zones, okay, for much more precise entry, okay. But this is a very good opportunity also, I suppose, also for today. Yeah, EURGPY is quite good as well, because we have two higher highs, two higher lows on a daily perspective. So yes, it's true, we are here, price refuse this very good demand zone, creating a huge week, but yeah, as you can see, on middle term, okay, for above all for an intraday perspective, I will only consider long trades. Obviously, just want for the price to reach the zone, which is here, or a very good order block on the 15 minutes, on a 15 minutes time frame. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, it was not good. I mean, this one. Okay, so I will wait the price to reach the zone to make my, it's not mine, to make this the pattern that I always looking for, and then retracement. So this one, two highs, retracement, and here go long. Obviously, I wait for the price to enter in a discount zone, so always below the 75, okay, of the Fibonacci retracement of the last swing, okay. Probably the last one. No, we have GBP but now we are on Euro USD, which is a situation quite similar to EURGBP, but after this V pattern, okay, and which means that here there are a lot of volumes. This is a typical institutional move, okay. It means that probably price will not going down, probably, okay, obviously. And I like this highs, okay, that broke these structures, okay, this one, and then we have liquidity grabbing here, go up. So now same thing, just wait for the price to retest the 75, to go down to 75, looking for a good volume zone here, looking for a pattern, and then go long. Same old story, okay. Last one, GBPUSD. Well, here we have a huge bullish momentum, okay, breaking this structure and this structure as well. Well, this is not clear, to be honest. This is not clear, okay, because yes, on a very long term, we are bullish, because we broke this structure, okay, And yeah, to be honest, I just want to, on a very long term perspective, I just want for the price to broke this other structure, okay, to be definitely bullish, okay, but and this as well, okay. So for this week, I just want to wait for the price to reach this demand zone, okay, and waiting for the same pattern to be created to go long, okay. So just wait for this kind of pattern, okay, and then go long. Okay, that's pretty much it. I hope you like, guys, this video. Let me know what you think about using the comment section below, and yeah, join my community on this group, okay. I share my ideas, everything for free, and don't care about your money. I mean, I only want to grow my community, okay, on Discord, on TradingView, on YouTube as well, okay. So thank you very much. See you in the next video. Enjoy the trading week.